So this is actually looking all right over here. We have the potential for this hidden bullish divergence play to still be on for us. We haven't got the full measure move quite yet, but that's all right. We're on the way to it. If we do need to have a retest and everything we spoke about, okay, that's fine so far. We've just come up above the neutral line here in the 12-hour time frame on the RSI, and I'm liking the look of this. I'm liking the look of how we've just got this cross, and it's just starting to happen for us. It's not quite fully there yet. I kind of want to wish I still had my stochastics on the chart just here, so I could talk about that for a split second here. So I'm going to just pop that back on. Yeah, so you can see, you know, we're on the way up now. Of course, this is just getting that little look where it could. Oh wait, let me just choose. I'll just choose my exponential one instead of the. It's getting that look here, obviously, where the angle, you know, this extreme up has then taken a little sort of dent on it. Okay, but we're still pointing up the way here, and that's the 12-hour time frame. The 24-hour time frame, we've just kind of started that actually here in the stochastics. Weekly time frame, yes, okay, not good. The recent pullback. This is actually the sort of the 560 down the way pullback. What we really want to see happen here in terms of the bullishness is for us to get a turnaround here. Wouldn't it be nice if we could translate those lower time frame things up towards the larger ones? Now, when you get back down the way, then it is here at the 4-hour time frame that you start to get that slight difference. Now, are we going to have to experience some chop? Essentially, are we going to have to experience this play out a little bit, but hopefully push us towards the top side overall, so that the 12-hour one will become real, and that we'll actually see the real the 24-hour cross be real? I think maybe we will. So that's my trepidation with saying that exactly, you know, we're on the way now. Nevertheless, though, there is the opportunity to take trades right from this area, you know, basing your risk in it around about the 380 zone and trying to carry it up the way. The next target is going to be, you know, $4.30. Let's call it 420, because, you know, take out 420 if you want to get high. That's what we'll say about that one. So 420, that's just shy of 430, right? And that's probably a decent enough target to look to, and that's what I would be targeting off the back of this one if I was trading this right here, you know, right now. And the way that I would manage my trades then as a result of that would be that along these sorts of a lines just here. As you can see, very easy to pick up a 5-to-1, you know, very easy to pick up a 5-to-1 if that's what you're looking for in this zone. Now, as well, with regards to the movement down the way, I wouldn't be looking to try and carry this too far beyond that 236. So if I was trying to short it, would I short it from right this exact price point? Well, I'd prefer to take it perhaps from one of the zones that we're just at here, as if to say, you know, if we see something coming in. So what we're seeing on the to make it happen for us. So let me just remove that real quick, drop down towards sort of 30-minute and say, you know, if we see something happen, well, I was going to say, if there's something, we can see that there's this little touch of the divergences just here, just a little touch of it, just saying to us, you know, maybe there's a bit of a pullback coming up for us here. That's not so great, actually. It's not there. I wouldn't want to take it off the back of that. Yeah, I wouldn't want to short this right now, but if I did, but I can feel that this is going up to try and at least test this 395 area again. Then I'd be shorting it from the 395s. I mean, we're at 387 at the minute, which is going to make all the difference in terms of managing your risk, in terms of being able to get a decent move on this one. So I'd probably go for another 5-to-1. You all watch the show, you all know what I think about things. A 5-to-1 is pretty decent, and what you're looking at over here is essentially saying that taking out our previous highs, pushing on past that zone, I don't want to be shorting it down from there. But if we do go down the way, I'm shorting this happily enough down towards 373, and I'm happy to take profit on a 5-to-1 risk to reward move off the back of that one. That's your TA. That's what the other folk didn't deserve. They needed the other less.